Hi, my name is Blake with the Electric Bike Company, and today I want to talk about our Basil saddlebags that we sell to go with our mid-click system. What is the mid-click system? Definitely check out our other videos where I explain whether you need the adapter plate or the carrier plate, or our video introducing the mid-click system for more information. So our Basil saddlebags right now, we currently carry 3, and it comes in Bohemian Blue, as you can see here. It comes in black, and it comes in Magnolia Red. Now the adapter plate is what clicks onto either the rear rack or the carrier plate. So right here in the middle is where the adapter plate is located, which clicks onto either the rear rack or the carrier plate. And you can put anything inside of your saddlebag, whether it be your laptop, your tablet, your phone, anything at all. Anything that you want secured on the back of your bike, definitely our saddlebags will work for it. And if I were to open it up, you can see exactly what the inside looks like. Okay, same thing with the other side here. Okay, so definitely check out our website at www.electricbikecompany.com for more information on the mid-click system and the Basil saddlebags that we sell. And if you want to learn more about our products and everything that's coming out from Electric Bike Company, definitely hit that subscribe button for more information to check out all of our new videos coming your way. So again, this is Blake with the Electric Bike Company, and as always, safe travels and happy riding.